So this is my review of the S30R2 made by Olight. I'm in about the darkest area that I can be. I'll run you through the modes. Push and hold puts us at nighttime, which is very little. I think the mode is called Moonlight. Push and hold again. You can see we're on the sidewalk here. Push and hold one more time. You can see it start to shine on the buildings up there. The camera on the phone doesn't do it justice. Push and hold one more time. The distance between those windows is about 10 feet, and I'm, let's see, probably about 50 feet away from them here. And that brings us back to the low setting. Click it once to turn it off, double click it, and that puts it in turbo mode. This is a full charge. From the off position, we double click it 3 times, and that puts it in strobe. So the size on this is unbelievable. It's almost exactly the same size as my Benchmade pocket knife, and it makes it perfect. I think the clip on this is actually a little stronger than what's on the pocket knife, and it's the perfect weight. It's very, very sturdy. I have dropped it, and I've had it for about 2 weeks now. Worked flawlessly every time that I needed it. There's a magnet on the back. It will stick 90 degrees on the refrigerator surface, which I have pictures of in the Amazon review. I purchased this from Olight Direct on Amazon, and I couldn't be happier. It's unbelievable for the size, what it does. It's a 18650 battery, and it comes with the Olight charger base, which is the other side of this magnetic face, and when it clips into the charger, extremely secure. I absolutely love it. We'll use it in a little bit lighter setting here. As you can see, this illuminated hallway. Push and hold puts us in moonlight mode. Hold it again. Low setting, medium, and high. And that's where I was on the sidewalk across the street. And like I said, the camera on my phone doesn't do it justice. The throw on this thing is awesome. It does retain a memory to the last setting, so when I click it back on, it's immediately on high. Turn it off, and I didn't notice the turbo mode at first because the light didn't have a full charge on it. I think that it's only capable of that whenever it has a full charge, so I'll show you the difference. It's pretty noticeable. This is from approximately 10 feet away. High setting. And that's the turbo.